Fence leaning because of soil erosion is, like, super annoying, but you can totally fix it and keep your yard looking sharp with a few simple moves that help improve soil drainage, add retaining structures, and reset your fence posts the right way. So first, you gotta check out where the water's pooling around your fence and, see if your drainage is totally busted. If you notice soggy ground, try adding gravel or sand to help water move away from the fence line. You could also run a French drain parallel to your fence, basically a shallow trench filled with gravel and a pipe, to keep water from just sitting there. For extra support, stack up some landscape timbers or install a mini retaining wall to stop more soil from washing away every time it rains. If your posts are already leaning, pull them up, dig out the hole a little wider and deeper, and pour in fresh concrete when you reset the post so it won't budge again. Make sure you tamp down the soil or gravel around every post for solid support. While you're at it, check that your fence panels aren't putting extra pressure on just one spot. Spread things out evenly to avoid future problems. And don't forget to keep plants and shrubs trimmed back so they don't trap moisture right by the base of your fence. One of the most common mistakes with fixing a leaning fence caused by soil erosion is not addressing poor drainage, which just lets the problem happen all over again. Always make sure water flows away from your fence using gravel or a drain system. Another issue is rushing to reset posts without digging deep enough or using solid concrete. So make those post holes at least 36 inches deep and fill them with concrete for max stability. People also skip building retaining structures or walls, but adding those keeps soil in place and prevents future erosion. You'll seriously regret not doing this if heavy rain hits again. BigHomeProjects.com seriously makes life easier because it connects homeowners with reliable, local contractors who actually know how to deal with soil erosion and fence repairs. For contractors, it's the perfect way to get matched with real jobs in their area and build trust with new clients looking for top-notch work.